are the aircraft show going on there.
Oh,
It's an air show basically. Okay, attention please.
Address to Vishwanath ji, Guru ji,
No, there is aeroplane.
yoga master, मेरे दोस्त, मेरे फ्रेंड,
One
बहुत
more.
पुरानी दोस्ती हम। There are no words that can describe our love and gratitude for the years of your caring, for your patience, generosity, and boundless thoughtfulness. You will be always in our hearts and minds of all the seniors, brothers and sisters. You made a difference. We always remember you, both you and Gayatri Ben. We rejoice with you and thank the God
అక్కడ
for
aeroplane
His
ఉన్నట్టుంది.
mercy and goodness to you. Renuka Ben and Samar.
అడుగు ఇటు రండి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి
అక్కడ లాపేస్తున్నా.
వినపడదు
खड़ा खड़ा रहे।
Yes. Picture लो भाई.
हम लोग का एक जोक बनाता है। हम दोनों में शादी पहली मेरी हुई। ये तो कवारा था। बस उसकी शादी के बारी आई तो मेरी मिसेस मेरे को बोलने लगी एक दिन कि भाई तेरे दोस्त को बोल के शादी मत करे। तो जिस लड़की के साथ वो शादी करने जा रहा है
हंसती
इसका
रहेगी.
जोक जिस लड़की के साथ वो शादी करने जा रहा है ये लड़की की इम्प्रेशन अच्छी नहीं है तो तू पहचानती है। मैंने पूछा कि तू पहचानती है लेकिन नहीं पर मैंने सुना है कि अच्छी नहीं है। तुम्हारा भैया को तुम्हारा दोस्त को रोको तुमका बेस्ट फ्रेंड है क्यों नहीं रोकेगा। मैंने बोला मेरे को रोकना तो चाहिए पर मेरी शादी तेरे साथ हुई थी तभी ये आया था मेरे को रोकने का।
Got the joke? Everybody, what he tried to say is that you should not interfere in somebody else's matter. In short, keep it to yourself. That's the whole idea. Thanks. Yes, sir. Very nice. That was a fantastic.
ఆ ఏరోప్లేన్
That was a very good.
అక్కడ వదిలి వెళ్ళిపోయింది.
అది కదా
అదేలే అక్కడ వచ్చింది.
ఇది తప్పుంది
Dear friends of the guys and chief guest of the day, Mrs. Chief Guest. Good evening. I want to take this opportunity to express
చైర్స్ అంటే ఇచ్చారా
for teaching us and conducting the yoga exercise for the past few months. Personally, by doing the exercise, I have felt quite relaxed and energized. The mild physical movements and the tough exercises enable us a much lighter social environment conducive for jovial guidance. Wherever he travels, our gurus spreads the laughter yoga freely, widely among all people. For instance, last week there was a big celebration at Times Square for Indian Independence Day. That celebration also got a huge crowd. I'm sure that like me, everybody who has attended his laughter yoga exercise will benefit from this exercise. I have heard that he conducts regular sessions in Bangalore and leads and encourages people to do laughing exercise with yoga regularly. Once again, I want to express sincere thanks to our yoga group on this special occasion. And I also thank you all for this opportunity.
Yeah. Yes, please go ahead. Yes. नहीं नहीं अरे
This is very good that you have started in Hindi.
नहीं, अभी आपको हिंदी सिखा रहे हैं हिंदी सीखना पड़ेगा
Say something in Hindi,
Yeah.
right proud.
Address to all people.
Yeah, yeah.
गुरु शिष्य का बांधव्य ऐसे सब लोग मिला है। ये क्या बोलते हैं, हम तो अमेरिका से आ गया पहला बार, इधर देखे तो हमको गड़बड़ हो गया। क्या बाहर कोई आदमी नहीं होते, भारत में देखते गली गली में किधर भी जाओ आदमी लोग को देखते, पर इधर आ गए तो कोई नहीं, कैसा बात कर रहे हैं, बाहर आके किसको साथ बात कर रहे हैं। Luckily, we met Vishwanath ji, though he is an Indian, that to Karnataka person, but we met in America. That I can't forget. बोला हम डॉक्टर को है ऐसा सुबह में मिलते हैं, आप भी आओ। मैं तो सुना था। We went and joined them. Then it gives me an immense happiness. Why? Because see, the nature of the America is very beautiful, and it attracts everybody. After that, and we are having a very good pleasant area. In India, we have to see some parks only. It is in Bangalore, it is Lal Bagh, open park, a beautiful park. In some places are there. In remote area like our village, we don't have any park. Even if you say we don't have any good road out. That's the immediate. But here, with the natural beauty, we are doing exercise. We are going to get oxygen, very good oxygen, and we are happy. Regarding the laughter club, I have to say some few words which I studied with the help of Vishwanath. I can't say much about Vishwanath because he is the ocean. This is a thankless job. He is without any expectation. He is doing, and he has started near about 40 to 45 laughter club in India and abroad. It is not a easy job as a human being, but with the shortage of facilities, he has done a very genius work. See, in 1995, it's a beauty, laughter club started in India. A Dr. Madan Khataria is by profession is a MBBS doctor who knows more about our शरीर शास्त्र के बारे में, उसको इतना अच्छा मालूम है. These genius people will think some of the useful things to give to the society. Say the 5 people started in 1995 in a just like a park. Then they started this laughter club. So near about this is the 20th year, I hope so.
Yeah, just 20th.
And in the 20 years, in Karnataka only, it is more than 200 clubs are there. In 200 clubs,
500 more than
it is more than 500 as Vishwanath is saying. In Bangalore only 200 clubs are there.
Yeah.
So in India, so many are there because I am very occasionally going to Mumbai. I saw in Kandivali, so many people are. It is near about hundreds of people. All so senior persons, more than 70 to 90 years old, not younger people. See, they are selling. One day I asked, while walking, I asked few people, अरे बिहार पे छोटा लड़का लोग हैं. डेली हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, इसलिए तो हमारा तंदुरुस्ती इतना अच्छा है. That was the thought of the Madan Khataria and his colleagues. So we are very thankful to Madan Khataria and his family. The laughter yoga. This is as in India, we are already Patanjali yoga is there. People might have known so many things about the yogas. I am not elaborately telling about the yogas, but I would like to emphasize what are the things are happening in laughter yoga only within short period. See, India, all yogas are born. See, recently in America we celebrated World Yoga Days and World Laughter Yoga Days. Both we have celebrated. It is happy to say in World Yoga Days, so many people have come. Immensely we have with Vishwanath ji has taken us also there, and we have participated. We enjoyed very nicely. See, laughter yoga maintains healthy body and gradually healthy mind also. Healthy body and healthy mind gradually makes as a positive thinkers. See, our thinking will be always positive. Nowadays, people suffering from various stress-related diseases can be benefited in some way or otherwise. Laughter yoga is more supplementary and preventive exercise for stress and related ailments. In this, the research are going on. Laughter yoga methods already indicated positive results at the University of Graz in Austria. So many people might have known this. What it is,
బాబు
in order to get multifold health benefits of laughter, one cannot depend upon spontaneous laughter, which arises during the course of the day in our daily life, because it comes in for a few seconds here and there. Just like laugh is very limited times. When you are occasionally it will come, but laughing regularly, if you are laughing, no, we can keep so many things away from these things. To produce the significant psychological and biochemical changes, the laughter has to be frequent for at least 10 to 15 minutes a day. That is why laughter yoga exercise are so important to bring measurable physiological changes like oxygen levels in blood, muscle relaxation, blood circulation, and release of certain hormones in the body. It really does not matter whether laughter comes from humor in the mind or playfulness in the body. Totally, health benefits are the same. Laughter yoga is completely packaged for physical, mental, social, and spiritual as being of an individual human being. It has all the elements of a perfect health building activity. The yoga which is teaching every day by the Vishwanath ji, if we done perfectly, knowingly, if we are doing perfectly, we can keep the doctor away. That is 100%. Because in this age also so many things in our body, after coming here, we have become very healthy people. Because as I have told, outside we are getting very good oxygen. We are doing regularly morning and evening with Vishwanath ji, because we are very near to his house. Every day we are coming and doing. With all the evening people, so many people are here and doing. Their health is already improved, I think so. Because here, all 70 and above people are coming. Except myself, I am on that line.
What's your name, Subramaniam?
Many people to talk, please.
Yoga is said to be a form of dynamic meditation or relaxation. It strengthens the immune system. For this, research has been carried out. Dr. Lee S. Breck of Loma Linda University of California. What it did, laughter helps to increase the positive of the natural killer cells, and also raises the antibody level, that is immunoglobulin A. And there are so many things are there that I am. And one lastly but not least,
a media person, that I have to say, an American journalist.
అతడు జనరల్ సామాన్యంగా
He was in a spinal cord pain. That pain was not reduced so many.
తర్వాత
Because America for medical research,
అందరూ ఎత్తారు మాస్టర్ అమెరికాలో
but that person did have reduced. After
ఉంటారో బయట
after
ఉంటారో
therapy
ఆడుంటారో
process done
తెలియదు
by
కదా
this, he has reduced it.
వాళ్ళ ఆవిడ ఎత్తిందమ్మ
This is happened in America. These are the things I am taken so much time that opportunity which was given for me. I am
సో అభిలాషి చేయాలంటే
వాళ్ళు
so we cannot forget because one word I have to
భరత్
tell about the
చేయాలంటే
Gayatri madam because
భరత్కి పెట్టు భరత్
always with Vishwanath ji to support.
Lakshmi
Her support Vishwanath ji is doing this much. So with the praying of the God, let them give what you call Ayasa, Ayurveda, Aishwarya, everything. Let them give and the God bless their unit. Thank you very much.
So Raghavan, you want to say a few words, please? Yeah. Please make it short because now the time is running out. The food is getting cold. That is more important now. Yeah. And we have to give chance for Mr. Shetty also.
Dear Vishwanath ji and all those who are in the dais and all our laughter group members. I am TV Narayanan from Chennai. We are conducting 2 laughter clubs, one at Marina Beach and another at Elliot's Beach, Chennai. My interest in is here is my son is living here. Next interest is Mr. Vishwanath. I came here on 18th. I came here at 6 o'clock. I came here and met Vishwanathan ji at 7 o'clock. Such an interest I am having with you.
That's the unique part. Yeah.
Yes. Such an enthusiasm he is giving. So, whenever I used to go, I used to mention Vishwanathan ji and let God give him peace of mind, peace in every aspect of life.
Yes.
I pray God. Thank you for
Very nice. Thank you. Really great word on Mr. Vishwanath ji. Yes, please. Yeah.
I want to mention 2 things. It is the immediate result of attending the laughter yoga. Today I had some guests coming. I have to receive them and all those things. At the same time, it is my urge to come and attend this place. You may not believe, I walked from Harbour Heights to this place to attend this function. This could be done. Why? Because my health is very much improved due to the attending the That is number 1. These are all the immediate result of the attending. I am telling the result of the immediate
That's a really
things that
fabulous
happen.
compliment. I must tell you.
And another thing is, my friend Mr. Hari, he was having some problems, slightly. Chalega, I will do, I can take care, I will do this. He is able to play, he has played badminton, he knows the game. He played tennis, Salo, my big kelta, I want to play with you, let me say. He is able to play without having much problem in the knee. In my opinion, by observation, it is the effect of the laughter.
Definitely.
And I used to see all the sisters who were coming to this laughter club, beginning of the time, about 2 months back. When I see them, the way they used to come like now is the recent one. When I see them, they come like this. The proof is very clearly seen. And they are still standing and they used to do that one exercise. Earlier they won't be able to do that. Now they are doing longer, then when it changes the leg, they are doing such an improvement. It is a very practical observation I want to share with you all. And today myself coming by walk, mainly due to you, sir. Thank you very much. I do not want to miss it. And for everything there is a woman behind it. Gayatri ji and support is really there for you to come. I wish and pray to the Almighty that both of you live longer to make us to have a mission. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That was a really nice praise for Mr. Shetty ji. I am really impressed. The word he has used, fabulous. The phone is ringing me all the time. Anybody else want to say anything? Otherwise, we'll give the dais to Shri Sethi ji. He has to acknowledge all our sentiments and guide us further. How he is going to take us further now from here, you know? Please, Mr. Sethi.
Namaste everybody. Before I start, my wife can sing a song for me.
Yeah. Oh, please come. Oh, we sorry we didn't bring you here. Please come. नहीं नहीं अरे आप आ जाओ ना उधर बट इधर आके गाना पड़ेगा उधर पे सब लोग को दिखना बनता है ना गायत्री बहन है कौन आ जाओ You can come in the seat or sit down.
You want?
And she likes to sit. She is very young. Actually, विश्वनाथ जी से ऑलमोस्ट हाफ एज का मेरे को तो फीलिंग होता है उनका बिकॉज
अभी मैं एक जोक
हाँ बोला एक मिनट बोलाओ सुनाओ ना भाई सुनाओ भजन के बाद करना है ओके भजन सुन लेते फिर
So because we are celebrating Teachers Day now, so I vote all the teachers in the world and I want to sing a song. Because here more people are speaking Telugu, I want to sing in a Telugu.
Oh, that's fantastic. Good idea.
Good.
గురువన్న ఎవరో ఎరుక పరచే సాయి గుప్త సత్యమునే గురుతు చేసే సాయి గురువన్న ఎవరో శ్రద్ధా భక్తి సహన శక్తి श्रद्धा भक्ति सहन शक्ति अर्चनार्पणम् आत्मानुरक्ति साधिंचगलिगिते सद्गुरुवु दొరకునని परमार्थमंदगा పదమతడు చూపునని గురువన్న ఎవరో ప్రతిఫలము కోరక పాలించుచుండునని ప్రతిఫలము కోరక పాలించుచుండునని ఆత్మార్పణం ఒకటే ఆశించుచుండునని అజ్ఞానతిమిరాలు అణగించుచుండునని అతుని సేవించితే బ్రతుకే ధన్యమని గురువన్న ఎవరో పరుల దూషించట పాపకర్మమని పరుల దూషించట పాపకర్మమని తన తప్పు నెరుగట ధర్మ సూక్ష్మమని అరుదైన పుణ్యమున నరజన్మ దొరకునని సాయినాథుని కొలువ సార్థకత కలుగునని గురువన్న ఎవరో ఎరుక పరచే సాయి గుప్త సత్యమునే గురుతు చేసే సాయి గురువన్న ఎవరో
We actually wanted to start our whole program with a Guru Prarthana. Unfortunately, in all the haste and all the things, so let us all sing. It's a very good thing. Everybody knows it by heart. It's a two-line thing. Okay, please
And
start.
before Mr. Sethi comes,
Yeah.
I want to say a joke.
Yes, please.
अपने भाई का जोक आगे बढ़ाते हुए
Yeah.
मैं इनका नाम तो नहीं लूँगा तो एक हस्बैंड को रात को देर से आने की आदत पड़ गई। तो एक दिन उसकी वाइफ बड़ी नाराज़ और कहने लगी कि भाई अगर तुम आज से बाद कभी लेट आए तो मैं दूसरी शादी करूँ। उसने कहा कि भाई तुम्हें डाइवोर्स दे के दूसरी शादी कर लूँ। उसने कहा भाई ऐसा करना कि मेरे पड़ोसी हैं रामलाल, उसके साथ कर ले। उसने कहा क्यों, कहा तुम्हारा रिश्तेदार है कि नहीं, मैंने उससे बदला लेना है।
Okay.
इन्होंने बताया नहीं था ना, बदला तो आपने इनका लेना है।
Okay, please allow us. Let us sing Guru Pratna. Okay. Okay. Ready? Start. Everybody starts at the same time and sing together. That is the part of this yoga. So 1, 2, 3. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Our Guru is here for the moment. Everybody is a Guru in other sense, yes, but he is our Guru at the moment because we are Hashya Yoga. That's the whole thing. Thank you, everybody. Please be seated. Now the dais is for Mr. Reddy to address us, and then we'll start the snacks. Another 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. Okay? Right. Thank you, everybody.
I want to tell my journey to laughter yoga. Just an introduction I have to give. How I entered into laughter yoga. I born 18 May 1942 in Shimoga, in Karnataka. In 7 days itself, I lost my mother. So, my uncles and my grandfather, they have taken care of me for my education and everything. I have done BE Mechanical Engineer at Davangere, Karnataka. I served in HMT Machine Tool Factory for 33 years. I served it. I specialized in automatic machine designer. As a designer, supplied to all defense factories of India, textile industries, automobile industries, all industry, bearing industries, all big industries of India. They have taken HMT machine to automatic machines. They have taken. So I had an opportunity to, as a designer, I supplied, involved fully in that one. I took volunteer in 2000 to become, after becoming 2 years earlier, taken the voluntary due to my eye problem. But I had so many requirement for me to start my own this one or this one. But I had a satisfied service which I never forget in my lifetime. I had a recognition from my factory as well as the, you can say God is the customer, is the God for our factories. So they are also very much satisfied with my work. Then I took voluntary. In 2001, this laughter yoga I involved. After my service, what is exactly, I want to have some humanity service. I don't know how it has come to my mind. I involved in laughter yoga. Actually, it has started in 1998 in Bangalore. Mr. B.K. Satyanarayan, he brought from Bombay to Dr. Madan Kataria is the main laughter yoga starter. 98 he brought here. Actually, my college days and all this, I was a sports person, high jump, long jump, running also, and I have undergone 4 classes also. And mainly, after 2000, I undergone training in Art of Living course by Ravi Shankar. The way of systematic way of a breathing system has been adopted there. So when I involved in 2001 this laughter yoga, I made my own syllabus of introducing laughter yoga systematically, breathe in, breathe out. You know how I make the breathe in, breathe out commands also depending upon the exercise. That is the influence of Art of Living course. I made my own syllabus. So actually in 2003, my 2 sons are here. First son was in Utah State, ORM, first deputation has come to here for 5 years he came. My second son was here. So, first time when I came into this one, laughter yoga in Bangalore itself, 3 years I continuously made it. I started some clubs in Bangalore, Chitradurga, Andhra Pradesh also I started. When I came to first time to 2003 to Portland, Oregon State, Orem, one of the music teacher I met in my colony itself. So she asked me this one, what I retired from the service and all. She was a music teacher in a private school and a public school, Suzanne. So she asked me, she showed me interest. I want to learn this. You believe it or not, 3 months continuously with the friends, 8 to 10 friends. They used to come for the laughter yoga morning 6:30 to 7:30. She had schools from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. 2 different schools she has studied. So after 3 months, this one, once she asked me, will you give a program for children in my school, she told. Really astonished. I have given a program of more than 150 students, including the teachers, everybody participated, half an hour this one. This is, I will tell you, that was my first public program in given laughter yoga. That I started there only. Then afterwards, few days afterwards, he took me to a public school. More than 400 students were there. I have given this. In 2006, once again I came. She invited me to give a program for the biggest university of Utah State for the college MS Arts and Music students. That was my public program started. Then in 2006, I happened to come to Portland regularly. I was coming. So actually, when I stay in the Hillsborough, I was staying there. So Mr. Balaji Temple I used to visit. So I asked Rajgopalji, shall I have a program of laughter yoga in your Sai Baba Temple? Yes, honestly, I've given 18 Saturdays I conducted the class there. And nearby Central Park also I started the club where I met Bhatti there. So like that afterwards in Balaji Temple, I met Kannada, one person I met there, Anandavardhan and Varmaji from Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh. Both of them happened to meet there. So whenever I come to America, these people invite me for one or the other programs to give my laughter yoga. First Vivekananda birthday 150th year centenary celebrations also, they invited me to give a program there. And this year, World Yoga Day, I've been invited here. And at the same time, Independence Day last year also, this year also, I've taken my friends also to give program. The way I'm telling all these things, it is the inspiration from the friends and all those things we're doing. And at the same time, when I came first time in 2006, Mr. Krishnamurti, he asked me to visit the Wotan Park there. Some senior citizens are meeting there. First time I go there, I met our Shobha Patel there and so many friends, Narahari, like that. So every time when I come here, I'll be seeing new faces, except few people, citizens of this place. I'm seeing new people are there. And really, everybody is appreciating me and encouraging me to do it. Really, it's a great asset for me. All these people are your blessings and this one. It gives me more pleasure and more strength for me to do more clubs than this one. This is actually, we can say, Kerala, how they got a Vajra Kausha like this. Like this, your wishes only make me strong to inspire me to do more clubs and more this one. Really, I should be thankful to the ladies. Every day they are coming continuously, more than 3 months continuously they are coming. Really, I can say all my brothers and sisters really encourage me to do all these things. I've been thankful to you. Particularly, I should thankful to Mr. Hari. What I'm telling, first time I met here this time, Hari in our senior citizen meeting. So he has shown interest in laughter yoga. He started coming here. It happened on my birthday of 18th May. So what he has made, why you can give a club for this one? Fly Portland is given. What is that? Fitness, laughter, yoga, Portland is given. I should be thankful to Mr. Hari. He is inspiring all the people to do all these things. Really, one man has to take initiation for all these things. He is inviting all my friends and sisters to join with me in doing it. Really, I am very much thankful to you people. I never forget the affection what you have shown to me. It will be really a great asset for me. Thanks for once again. Please bless me.
हरी जी आ जाओ इधर हरी को भेजो
Okay, I am coming, gentlemen. So, you're finished? Oh, sorry. I was just trying to, my main goal is eating now. So, everybody is hungry and we have made very delicious samosas. Actually, I made myself the rest of the samosas, we got it uncooked. And we have fried at home. They are homemade samosas. And all the ingredients are totally made from scratch in my house. I think my wife did a good job. And of course, I play always bigger job. And this is a unique combination because most of people are from south. They don't eat chaat. The chaat.
તું ઘરે બનાવી
I wanted to,
તમે ઘરે
taste of the north.
તું ઘરે
That is the whole idea. Okay, gentlemen, the quantity like food is not
અનકુકિંગ પેટીસ લઈ આવ્યા હતા રગડો કરે
enjoy. Please. Yeah. On.
અંકલ અંકલ
Come, Mukherjee. Come here.
બોતો
So, it's a great thing that it was a great thing that when we, doing.
Say one thing.
Yeah.
Just I wanted to introduce Mr. Han. He's from China, but he's staying since 1980. He's done a PhD, he's working in Intel. The day I started the Laughter Yoga, one day he came and saw the people are doing here. You believe it or not, more than 2 months over, he's continuously coming morning and evening attending the classes. In spite of it, he has recorded my voice also, what he is telling. After you leave, I want to continue to this one. I should be thankful to him and the interest what he has shown at this one. And actually, Pranab Mukherjee, yes, please come. See, he has made a song, this he says, it is a family. Everybody we can sing. A happy family, a happy family, Blithe and gay, we just the day, Blithe and gay, Blithe and gay, we spend the day, Blithe and gay, we spend the day, laughing in chairs the hours away, laughing in chairs the hours away, we are very merry. We are very merry, 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 as merry can be. Merry, 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 as merry can be. We happy family, we happy family,
Thank you everyone. Fantastic. And the whole idea of the yoga is one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That's the whole idea. You see? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Yeah.
Oh, I'll take it. Big video.
This song I was inspired in a school over there in Darjeeling. The kids, they were all playing over there. Then I asked them, they said that we are in a merry mood. And the teacher also said, we want to be happy with a smiling face. Then he started, happy family, we happy family, Friday and gave us fun the day, laughing till the hour savage. We are merry, we are merry, we are merry, merry, merry as merry can be. Hot sunlight when the sun is shining, clouds may dark in sun in sky. Every cloud has a silver lining, it will be brighter by and by. Happy family, happy family. Light and gave us Sunday, laughing till the hour said, we are merry, we are merry, we are merry, 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 merry as merry can be.
And that was wonderful. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
That was really wonderful.
I was inspired by this gentleman. You see, when I first came here, I was in a very melancholy mode. And Vishwanathanji, why you were in a melancholy mode? Just I'm thinking about my home and India.
Come along and join with us. That day.
Yeah, that was fantastic. And I have been joking, telling that we already have our president here.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Our Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee. So you can have a feeling that our president of India is here. Yeah. Yes. Yes, thank you very much.
Group.
Nana.
Group.
Okay, very nice. Yes, please help yourself. Please.
శ్రీకాంత్ నంబర్కే చేశారు మీరు అవతలాలు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యారు అని
చెప్పండి
ఏరోప్లేన్ వెళ్తాను అవును బుడ్డిది
లేదు నాకు ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోయి దాంట్లో చేశాను
We'll go, wait. Hold it. Chintu, I'm taking video. శ్రీనివాస్ ఇక్కడే ఉన్నారు అంకుల్ ఏముందిరా అంకుల్
ఏం పట్టుకో
ఫోటో ఎత్తుకుంటాం
డాడీ కూడా వస్తారులే
ఎక్కడ డిన్నర్ కూడా చేసుకుంటే మనం చక్కగా నుంచోండి గ్రూప్స్ నుంచోండి ఎక్కడెక్కడ గ్రూప్స్ నుంచోండి అంకుల్
మీరు నుంచి చేస్తా ఉండండి
మీరు నుంచోండి వెళ్ళండి గ్రూప్ గా నుంచోండి ఏంటి వాళ్ళ గ్రూప్ తీయండి ఆంటీస్ గో దేర్ ఆంటీస్ స్టాండ్ విత్ అంకుల్ గో దేర్ స్టాండ్ దేర్ ఆంటీ we are taking picture it's okay that's fine yeah group photo di దూరంగా వెళ్ళు come closer
That's why I want to.
అందరూ కనబడి
ఆంటీ అదే తీసారండి ఓకే డన్
మీరు తీసుకోండి తర్వాత
తీసుకోండి ఫుడ్ తీసుకొని
ఓకే థ్యాంక్స్ ఐదు ఉంది కదా టైం ఉంది ఓకే ఓకే
అందరూ వచ్చారు అందరూ గ్రూప్ గా నుంచున్నారు కదా ఆంటీ మొన్న రాలా మొన్న ఎవరు రాలా మీరు ఎవరు రాలా నేను ఇది ఇలా తీసా తీసుకోండి లైన్లో వెళ్ళండి పెద్దవాళ్ళు మీరు లైన్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి
అక్కడి నుంచి రండి
आगे
आइए बैठिए उधर बैठिए